What are the chances that if somebody called you today feeling a little bit stretched with their current financing that there's a chance you might be able to help?
I actually just had that call a couple weeks ago where clients of mine were feeling really stretched. They've racked up their credit cards because, as you know, everything is expensive, groceries, gas, everything. And they were feeling super stressed because they thought they might have to do a consumer proposal. And luckily, we were able to help them out because they had equity in their home. We were able to roll in some of that short-term debt into their mortgage without even touching their existing mortgage, which is at a super low rate. So we were able to consolidate that high interest debt and really eliminate that stress off their shoulders. So there's definitely options available for clients. And there's more than 50% of mortgages that are coming up for renewal in the next 2 years. So it's really important to get that conversation started early so that we can start to monitor interest rates for you and explore different options for you so that you've got lots of time. You can really take in all the knowledge and let it sink in, and then you can make an informed decision that works for you and your family, because the last thing you want to do is leave things to the last minute and then you're feeling rushed and pressured and you're under the gun and you feel like you haven't really done your due diligence.